Hello and welcome. In this video I will be explaining what the CSS box model is. What is the CSS box model? The CSS box model is essentially a box that wraps around every HTML element. In CSS, the term box model is used when talking about design and layout. The box model comprises of several components or parts. So we have the margin, which is the space around the outside of the element. Next, we have the border. This is the solid line that sits outside the padding. We've got the padding. This is the space around the content. For example, if you have a paragraph, the space around the paragraph can be regarded as the padding. And then we have the actual content. This is the area where the text, the images, and other content you have on the page, this is where it appears. To show you what the box model looks like, just if you got any basic web page open, or I'm going to use this web page I've been working on so far in the course. So if I'm just going to expand the web page so you can see the box model properly. So all you need to do is just right click on any element, say right click on the image element and click on inspect, and that will show the box model. You can see this is a box model here, this area here. So that's the margin, and it has four sides. We've got the top, we've got the right, the left, and the bottom. Next, we've got the padding. All right, also the padding has four sides. We've got the top, the right, the bottom, and the left. And here, this is the content. So this is where all the content of the page will appear, like images and so on. Yeah, that's where that will appear. So this is a content area. And then you can see the border. You can see this is the border, which sits just on top of the padding. So you can see the border goes around the padding and the content. You can assign values to the margin, the border, and the padding properties. So just by using CSS, you can assign pixel values to them. And when you apply values, the values depending on the number of values, remember that the margin and the padding, they have four sides: the top, the right, the bottom, and the left. So depending on if you add in four values, then it will be applied to all the four sides. But if you only applying two values, then they'll be distributed accordingly. In the next video, we're going to experiment adding values to margin and padding so that you can see how the various values work when you apply them. So that's it for this video on CSS box model. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.